Springfield city leaders met today to discuss the city's 911 calls, including the increase in mental health calls and new resources for residents who don't speak English. Today's meeting with the City Council's Public Safety Committee, the Fire Commissioner BJ Calvi answered questions about their 911 dispatch center. Just a few years ago, local emergency response departments created a centralized dispatch, and today they discussed how beneficial it is. For example, it greatly improves call times in the city. Commissioner Calvi also addressed a growing number of mental health calls this year. He says there were 4,130 behavioral health calls last year and 1,652 similar in nature calls so far this year. But it's only halfway through the year.
We're a little less than 50% so far this year. So usually summer and going into the holiday season is the busiest time for psychiatric emergencies. So we're almost to the halfway point of the year, and the busiest season for psych is yet to come upon us.
Commissioner Calvi also answered questions regarding 911 translation services for non-English speaking callers. He says there's a state translation line the city utilizes with translators for more than 300 languages. That translation includes sign language for those hearing impaired. Commissioner Calvi also mentioned there are still openings within the call center, and they're still actively looking for more dispatchers.